Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the world of Dogecoin. Recently, there's been a lot of buzz surrounding Dogecoin's price movement, particularly as it enters what some are calling a major accumulation zone. But what does this mean for investors? Is it time to jump back into the Dogecoin craze? Let's find out. Before we delve into whether now is the right time to invest in Dogecoin, let's first understand what exactly an accumulation zone is. An accumulation zone is a period in the market cycle where investors are actively buying and accumulating an asset, typically after a prolonged period of decline or consolidation. During this phase, prices often remain stable or experience minor fluctuations as buying pressure increases. For Dogecoin, we're currently seeing signs that suggest it's entering such a phase. After experiencing a significant downturn in recent weeks, Dogecoin's price has stabilized, forming a strong support level. This stability, coupled with increasing trading volume, indicates that accumulation may be underway. Now, let's move on to the multifaceted factors that are propelling Dogecoin into this accumulation zone. Firstly, it's imperative to acknowledge the pervasive influence of broader cryptocurrency market sentiment. Cryptocurrency markets are intricately interconnected, with the performance of flagship cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin often setting the tone for the entire ecosystem. In recent weeks, Bitcoin has exhibited signs of recovery following a period of consolidation, accompanied by renewed investor confidence. This resurgence in Bitcoin's price and market activity has catalyzed a ripple effect across the crypto space, fostering a more optimistic outlook among market participants. As a result, investors seeking diversification and higher potential returns may increasingly divert their attention towards alternative cryptocurrencies, colloquially known as altcoins. Dogecoin, with its unique blend of charm, community ethos, and affordability, stands out as an appealing option in this landscape. While Bitcoin remains the bellwether of the crypto market, altcoins like Dogecoin offer distinct advantages and investment opportunities. Given Dogecoin's relatively low price per coin compared to Bitcoin, it becomes more accessible to retail investors seeking entry into the cryptocurrency space. Dogecoin's perceived underdog status and whimsical branding have garnered a cult-like following, transcending traditional market dynamics and appealing to a diverse demographic of investors, from seasoned traders to meme enthusiasts. Beyond market sentiment, specific catalysts have bolstered Dogecoin's allure and contributed to its ascent into the accumulation zone. Notably, the recent surge in mainstream adoption and acceptance of Dogecoin as a legitimate means of payment has injected newfound credibility into the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. High-profile endorsements from celebrities and influential figures, including Tesla's CEO Elon Musk and billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban, have propelled Dogecoin into the spotlight, generating widespread media coverage and public interest. Elon Musk's tweets, in particular, have become a phenomenon unto themselves, capable of sparking frenzied buying activity and driving Dogecoin's price to dizzying heights. The announcement that Elon Musk's aerospace company, SpaceX, would accept Dogecoin as payment for an upcoming satellite launch represents a significant milestone in Dogecoin's journey toward mainstream adoption. This development not only showcases Dogecoin's utility as a medium of exchange but also underscores its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and conventions. By embracing Dogecoin as a form of payment, SpaceX is effectively endorsing the cryptocurrency's legitimacy and paving the way for broader acceptance within the commercial space industry. This validation from a forward-thinking company like SpaceX could embolden other businesses to follow suit, further accelerating Dogecoin's integration into the global economy. Dogecoin's community-driven ethos and grassroots movement have played a pivotal role in fostering its growth and resilience. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that are driven primarily by speculative trading or institutional interests, Dogecoin thrives on the enthusiasm and engagement of its loyal community members, affectionately known as Shibes. This passionate community has consistently advocated for Dogecoin's adoption and development, leveraging social media platforms like Reddit and Twitter to spread awareness and drive engagement. The "Do Only Good Every Day" (DOGE) mantra espoused by the Dogecoin community reflects a commitment to positive values and collective action, distinguishing Dogecoin from its peers and imbuing it with a sense of purpose beyond profit-seeking. Recent developments surrounding Dogecoin, such as its adoption by major companies and celebrities, have brought renewed attention to the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. This increased visibility could attract new investors looking to capitalize on potential future gains. While the accumulation zone presents opportunities for potential gains, it's essential to consider the risks involved. Dogecoin, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to market volatility and speculative trading. Investors should be prepared for price fluctuations and the possibility of losses. One significant risk to consider is the speculative nature of Dogecoin's price movements. Unlike traditional assets with tangible value or revenue streams, Dogecoin's value is primarily driven by market sentiment and speculative trading. This speculative nature can lead to rapid price swings, making it a challenging asset to predict and invest in with certainty. Dogecoin's lack of a clear fundamental value proposition beyond its meme status poses another risk. While its community-driven nature and celebrity endorsements may generate short-term hype and price spikes, the long-term sustainability of Dogecoin as a viable digital currency remains uncertain. Investors should be wary of investing based solely on hype and speculation. On the flip side, the accumulation zone presents potential rewards for investors who believe in Dogecoin's long-term prospects. Buying during periods of consolidation or decline can allow investors to accumulate assets at lower prices, potentially maximizing their returns when prices eventually rise. Dogecoin's strong and passionate community, coupled with its growing adoption by businesses and celebrities, could bolster its utility and value over time. In conclusion, while investing in Dogecoin during the accumulation zone presents both risks and rewards, it ultimately comes down to individual risk tolerance and investment strategy. Investors should carefully weigh these factors and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up our analysis for today. Until next time.